Hello everyone. Today we'll start the topic nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehyde and ketones. We have already started this topic in the previous lecture and we have studied few examples of it. So today we'll study one more example, that is addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide to the aldehyde or ketone. So let us start our topic. So this is aldehyde or ketone based on the substituents, and this is sodium hydrogen sulfide NaHSO3. So as we have already studied the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction, so if you remember what is these steps, what are the steps? So this is the nucleophile HSO3 negative, and this is sodium, this is positive. So the nucleophile will attack on the carbonyl carbon. So this will attack on the carbonyl carbon. This double bond will shift and oxygen will have the negative charge. So now when oxygen is having the negative charge, so sodium will get attached to it, to the oxygen atom, and you will get this type of product. So here the SO3H is attached to the carbonyl carbon and the sodium is attached to the oxygen. So you are getting this type of product. Now what will happen? Proton shift will take place. So this hydrogen or this proton will shift towards this oxygen atom and this sodium will shift towards the SO3, and you will get the final product as this one. So this is bisulfite addition product. This is known as bisulfite addition product. Now one thing to note that if there is ketone here, so due to steric hindrance, the equilibrium will shift towards the left and you won't get that much of product. But in the aldehyde there is no steric hindrance or less steric hindrance, therefore the equilibrium will shift towards the right direction. This bisulfite addition compound, it is water soluble and when treated with mineral acid or alkali, it will give back the original carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde or ketone, and that is why this method, the addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide, this method is used for the purification of aldehydes. Because the ketones, they give the equilibrium is shifted towards left, therefore this method is used for purification of aldehydes. Because on the aldehydes you can purify and separate aldehydes by addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide and then adding mineral acid or alkali to the final bisulfite addition compound, so that you can get the aldehyde without impurity. So this was one of the methods of nucleophilic addition reaction. In the next lecture, we will study the nucleophilic addition reaction, one more example, that is the addition of Grignard reagent to the aldehydes and ketones, and that is very much important for your further studies also. So thank you.